I'm Kurt Cyron C. Binao.
Let's go outside and let's eat at the current store.
Let's do this later, Natasha, because it's really good.
I can go with Natasha because my mother got lost here. His food to me.
Okay, fine. See you later.
No, I don't need it. It's no good. And I have a lot of stickers.
Oh my God, don't forget to go out.
Oh, sure. What you gonna do after you watch the movie? Are you taking or leaving in your
Of
house?
course, I take it because I love it.
Sounds like a plan. Will definitely get the town bridge.
Definitely just need to weather this storm first.